Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra. Chapter 3, the Meditation of the Enlightening Being Universally Good. As when in this world the enlightening being universally good rose from concentration, all the hosts of enlightening beings received such blessings, so in all the oceans of worlds, as well as in each atom of each world, the same thing occurred. At that time, by the spiritual power of all the Buddhas and the power of universally good's concentration, all oceans of worlds in the 10 directions trembled. Each world was arrayed with precious elements and gave forth wondrous sound, explaining all things. And on each Buddha, in the ocean of sights of enlightenment where the masses gathered, everywhere there rained 10 kinds of clouds of regal jewels, clouds of beautiful gold star jewels, jewels like precious discs descending, jewels like precious discs descending, shining light jewels, jewels of the treasury manifesting the images of enlightening beings, jewels extolling the names of Buddhas, jewels of brilliant light illuminating the sights of enlightenment in Buddha fields everywhere, jewels whose light reflects the various miracles everywhere, jewels praising the virtues of all enlightening beings, jewels with a light that shines like the sun, jewels whose delightful music is heard everywhere. After the universal rain of these kinds of clouds of jewels, all the Buddhas emitted lights from their pores, and in the light rays spoke verses. Universally good is present in all lands, sitting on a jeweled lotus throne, beheld by all. He manifests all psychic powers, and is able to enter infinite meditations. The universally good always fill the universe with various bodies flowing everywhere, with concentration, psychic power, skill, and strength. In a universal voice, teaching extensively without hindrance, in every land, in the presence of all the Buddhas, various states of concentration revealing psychic powers. Each psychic power pervades everywhere in all lands of the 10 directions. As with the Buddhas of all lands, so it is in the atoms of the lands as well.